5 common phrasal verbs with put. First, put off. To postpone, delay. Example, they had to put off the meeting until next week. Second, put up with. To tolerate. Example, I can't put up with this noise anymore. Third, put out. To extinguish, turn off. Example, please put out the candle before leaving. Fourth, put on. To dress yourself with clothes and accessories. Example, she put on her jacket before going outside. Fifth, put forward. To propose, suggest. Example, he put forward an interesting idea during the discussion. For more information on phrasal verbs, common register errors and the link in bio.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me.